and welcome everyone. Did you know that the minutes book, which we had discussed in our last lecture, can also be inspected by the members of the company? Not only that, the members of the company can also take copies of such minutes book or such minutes of any of the meetings. There is a procedure for the same which has been governed under section 119, that is section 119. So let us go into or dive into section 119 without wasting any time. Myself, your host and teacher, Santosh Baliga, will take you through section 119. So, first of all, what we had understood in the last lecture was that the minutes book has to be maintained at the or kept at the registered office, kept at the registered office of the company. That's the first part of section 119. Second part of section 119 is that it shall be open for inspection during business hours. It shall be open for inspection during business hours, but it shall be open for inspection only to members of the company, only to members of the company without any charge, that is free of charge, that is free of cost. Okay, but subject to such reasonable restrictions as to when you can come and inspect. So the law is also specified in reasonable restriction over here, which is at least two hours in each business day. At least 2 hours in each business day shall be allowed for inspection. Shall be allowed for inspection. So what we have understood so far under section 119 is that the minutes book has to be maintained at the registered office and it shall be open for inspection by members during business hours as subject to any reasonable restriction, which shall be at least 2 hours shall be given on each business day for the inspection purpose. Okay, this is the first part of section 119. The second part is if the member or any person wants or requests for copy of the minutes, then in that case such member who will apply for or request for copy shall give any prescribed fee along with its application. Prescribed fee along with the application. And company will be bound to furnish within 7 days. Within how many days? Within 7 days of payment of such fees or as has been prescribed. So 7 days is the timeline within which the company shall be furnishing such copy of minute which the member has requested for. Okay. In case the company does not allow for inspection or for the copies which has been requested by the member or any person, in that case, it will be considered to be contravention and there will be penalty for such contravention to the company as well as the officer in default, to the company as well as the officer in default. For the company, the penalty will be 25,000 rupees. It will be 25,000 rupees. And for the officer who has refused or defaulted in providing the copies or inspection to the member will be fined with or penalty will be levied of 5,000 rupees for each such refusal or default. Okay, so far it has been understood. It's a very simple section. Only two things you have to know: that a member can free of charge inspect during business hours, and the company shall provide in case the member has requested for the copy, the company shall provide within 7 working days. And in case the company fails to do so, in case there is a contravention, company will have a penalty of 25,000 and every officer in default will have a penalty of 5,000 for each such refusal or default. Okay. Now, in case the company is still not giving or refusing to give inspection or furnishing the copy, then in that case, an application can be made by the member to the NCLT, that is the tribunal, and tribunal may direct an immediate inspection, or direct the copy required shall be sent to the person requiring it. Okay, this is section 119. I hope this is clear to all of you. It is a very simple section, and if you have still not gone through my minutes lecture, please go through the minutes lecture first and then refer to this particular lecture. It will be your minutes point or minutes topic will be complete through it. Okay. So in case you have any doubts or any clarification on minutes and section 119, that is inspection or copies of minutes, which is a very important topic from the examination point of view, do write to me in the comment section with any of your doubts or clarification that is required. But please do not take these doubts to your exam center. Okay, I'm there to help you in each respect that is possible from my side to ensure maximum videos that come to you and with conceptual clarity that is required for the examination purpose. If you have understood this particular video, this particular lecture, do like the video, share the video with maximum of your friends, and subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. It adds to my motivation to bring many more videos to all of you. Thanks a lot.